All right, it might look pretty out there, but wind chill says -23. It's literally so cold, the river is steaming. So, you guys probably know, my shop is typically clean, organized. I mean, I really take pride in how nice it is in here and how efficient I can be. So I'm almost a little bit embarrassed to show you this, but, well, here we go. Okay, this is where I keep all my glass. Gone. Most of it's gone. This is where I keep all of my packing foam. I'm running out of the good colors. I only really have like white and black left. I need more, better, fancier wood. And then this little section here is where I keep my abundance of frames. This is the white wall where I take photos of all my shadow boxes. Anyway, point is, the holiday rush crushed me. It was good. We did a lot of business and we sold a lot of stuff, but we also ran out of all the staples, packing materials, frames. Literally all the staples. So, today's docket, resupply. I've got everything getting shipped to the store where UPS, FedEx, yada, yada, yada can just drop it off. So we have to go get all that stuff, put it away, and build some frame inventory. All good things. Start to a new year. It's a fresh start. Okay, we love you. We'll be back in a little bit.
We'll all be here waiting.
Get in the truck. Kennel. Currently -9 degrees out. Heading to the store to get the supplies we ordered. Do it. All right, we got everything. It's cold, we're heading home. Boom. I forgot to mention this, but I was also out of shipping boxes, so. Okay, this is the wood I ordered. I ordered it a while ago, so I don't know exactly what's in here, but by the way, this is from Bell Forest Products out of Michigan, I believe. Boone over there, great dude. All right, so, okay, I do remember. So, some figured walnut, some more figured walnut. That's some pretty stuff. It's got a little bit of a bow, but always Gaboon ebony. It's kind of a staple, and it's really expensive and hard to find, so when I find some, I kind of just snag a bunch of it. More figured walnut. Oh, cool, and some curly maple. Whenever I can find a good piece of that, I always snatch it up. What I call it, pretty wood? Check. All right, if you've made it this far, you deserve a little treat. Remember how I said I was gonna make a whole bunch of frames? Here we go. See, I told you it'd be cool. Okay, so wait till the end. One more surprise too. Okay, let's get to it. Build some frames. Go.
I spend my days in despair, for in my mind you're still there. When nights turn cold and blue, how will I live without you?
Okay, as you can see, I made it. Oh. As you can see, we pressed out some frames. Every time I do it, I think they get just a little bit better. I also made some really cool cutting boards. Those are probably gonna be the next video, so stay tuned for that. If you like the look of these, I'm really happy with the way they turned out. Anyway, that's it for this one. It's getting long, and we have other stuff to do. So thank you for joining me. If you've not subscribed and you think I earned a subscription, I put a lot of work into these videos, so let me know down in the comments what you thought. Anyway, enough of that. Let's get to it.